Hi guys, it's Sarah.
And Christine.
And we're back to break down a really important topic, one that's incredibly important when it comes to caring for your skin.
Today, we're talking all about the skin barrier.
Have you ever had a really bad skin day where your face is red, itchy, or irritated? Maybe it's dry because of a change in weather, or it's reacting to products you used to use every day without any issues.
Dryness, breakouts, and even oiliness could all be signs that your skin barrier is compromised.
To start, let's talk about what exactly your skin barrier is.
The skin barrier is also sometimes called the moisture barrier or lipid barrier. This is the very top layer of your skin that's made up of dead skin cells and lipids or fats that hold them together.
It has two main purposes: to retain moisture and nutrients, and to keep irritants and bacteria out. When it's healthy, your complexion is even-toned, clear, and balanced.
So how do you know when your skin barrier is damaged? You'll know that something isn't right because your skin may be overly sensitive or show signs of irritation, redness, or tightness.
So we already know that your skin barrier is a protective layer of the cells and lipids. So when it's damaged, it means that the protective layer is essentially breaking apart and becomes permeable.
Permeability lets in irritants and bacteria that cause inflammation and may also make your skin suddenly sensitive to the products you've been using every day.
This also means your barrier can't do its job to keep the water and moisture in, which is why your skin becomes more prone to dehydration. This process of letting out essential moisture is called transepidermal water loss. This is also why it's not a good idea to use harsh soaps. And when we talk about sulfates stripping the skin, we're referring to alkaline cleansers that weaken the lipids in your skin barrier, causing, you guessed it, feelings of dryness and irritation.
Now that we know what can weaken our skin barrier, let's get into how to protect and heal it.
Like we mentioned before, it's super important to make sure your cleanser is free of harsh sulfates. This is why we formulated our Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser with coconut-based cleansing agents that still create that super satisfying foamy lather, but don't strip your skin. It also has a low pH of about 5.5, which will help keep your skin balanced.
You should also avoid cleansing your skin too often. Pay attention to your skin because you may not need to wash it both morning and night all year round, or else you risk stripping it of those essential healthy oils and fatty acids.
Make sure you only wash your face with lukewarm water. Washing your face with hot water can damage your barrier as well. Your skin should never feel tight or squeaky clean after cleansing.
This is also why we prefer to use hydrating toners over astringent ones. Using alcohol-based toners can strip the skin and break down the lipid barrier as well.
Our Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist has apple cider vinegar in the formula to help balance any oil production on the surface, and it's paired with hydrating watermelon and soothing botanical extracts, which all together helps to keep your barrier healthy.
Overusing active ingredients like exfoliants can also break down your skin barrier. Check out our video on how to layer acids to learn the best way to incorporate multiple exfoliating acids in your routine.
Maybe you've been a little too harsh to your skin and it's starting to react. Now is the best time to take a step back and make sure you're incorporating soothing and healing products in your routine.
Using nourishing, protective moisturizers like our new Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream daily will help prevent your skin barrier from becoming stripped and vulnerable.
If you're experiencing redness and inflammation, cut back your routine and put products with powerful actives aside until your skin is able to repair.
Some of our favorite things to fight inflammation are ingredients like turmeric and cica, both of which are in our new Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. Cica, or tiger grass, is a healing ingredient that helps to rebuild the skin barrier and is a great option if you're experiencing redness or irritation.
Turmeric is also known to lower inflammation in the body, which is why it's such a popular supplement. But it turns out that when applied topically, it can have the same benefits for your skin.
Oils, which are an emollient, are a great option to add to your routine if your barrier is compromised. If used on their own, oils should be applied as the last step of your skincare routine to seal in all of your healing ingredients and help prevent transepidermal water loss.
We added jojoba oil to our new Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream because it does a great job of not only keeping in moisture, but it's also rich in vitamin E, which is known to be super healing.
Sunscreen is also really important to wear every day, and more so when your skin barrier is damaged. So broad spectrum SPF will protect your skin from damaging UV rays, environmental aggressors, and pollutants that can help weaken your barrier.
Having a strong and healthy barrier is so important to maintaining healthy skin. We hope you learned something new about how to protect and take care of your skin.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!